All right, so today we're going to talk about solving systems of equations by graphing. There are three ways to solve. You can solve by graphing, you can solve algebraically with the elimination method, or you can solve algebraically with the substitution method. So we're going to talk about graphing first, and then we'll talk about the other two later. All right, so when you are graphing, you have three possible types of solutions. All right. The first one is one solution. All right. That's when the two lines that we graph intersect at one spot. All right. So this little red dot here, that's the intersection. That is the solution. Okay. Right there. Wherever they intersect, that's the solution. And it only intersects one time. That's why we say it's one solution. Okay. And your answer is going to be an ordered pair, or X and a Y. In this case, it looks like a decimal, probably like 2.25 and 2.25. All right. The next type is a no solution. All right. No solution is when your lines are parallel and they never cross. So in order to have a solution, they have to intersect. And if your lines don't intersect, then you don't have a solution. So these two lines never intersect. So we have no solution here. Okay. And then the third type is infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. That says solutions. I know it looks kind of ugly. All right. But you can't see this, but this is really two lines on top of each other. All right, there are two lines right on top of each other. And guess what? They are always intersecting at every point. So that's why we call it infinite solutions. Okay. All right, so now let's actually graph. Take what we learned previously on how to graph a line. This time we're just going to do it twice. All right, so we talked about we're going to start with our y-intercept for this first equation, and it's at +7. So put a point there on +7. Then look at our slope. It is -1/5. So we're going to be going down 1 and right 5. Down 1, right 5. So here we go. Down 1, right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's our second point. Okay. We can do it again. Down 1, right 5. Okay. If I want to do the other side, I go up 1, left 5. Up 1, left 5. Okay. So there's my line. I'm going to connect. Okay. That's the first line. All right. Now let's go ahead and do the second one. Same thing. Start at the y-intercept, +1. Okay. And then my slope, there's no number in front of the x, so it's a 1. And as a fraction, it's 1/1. So I'm going up 1, right 1. I always go to the right first. Up 1, right 1. 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 And you can already see where they intersect, where the two lines intersect. Okay. So right here at this, we'll make that blue. All right, and that point is 5, 6. All right, so our solution is 5, 6 for this graph. Okay. Now on Delta Math, you only have to plot 2 points. So after we did the first 2 points for each graph, it'd make the line for us, and then we can see where they intersect, and then we're done. All right. Let's do another one. Okay, for the first one, start at -4, my y-intercept. Okay, and then I'm going, this is -2/1. If it's not a fraction, just write it over 1. So that means I'm going down 2 because of the negative, and I'm still going right 1. Okay, so down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. And let me just show you the path for anybody that didn't get it. So from the y-intercept, we went down 2 and then right 1. Then did it again. Down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Okay? If I want to do the other side of that y-axis, I'm going to go up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1. Just doing the opposite. Up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1. Okay? So there's my line. Let's do purple. Okay? I'm getting pretty good at drawing these lines. Okay. Now we got to graph the second line. Where am I going to start? Yes, start at 2. Okay? Positive 2. So let's put a point there. Let's use some other colors here. Positive 2. I need like a green or something. Okay, and then from there, I'm going to go, my slope is 1. There's an invisible 1, so that's 1 over 1, just like the last problem. So I'm going up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. All right, but that's not really going to help me because I'm going out to the right. I need to see if where we're going to intersect down here. Okay, so let's do the opposite. So from my y-intercept, instead of going up 1, right 1, we're going to go down 1, left 1. 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 And you can see where the lines intersect. All right here at, let's do it in purple. Oh, there's some other colors. All right, in green. So our intersection is -2, 0. Okay, there's your X and your Y. All right, let's do another one. Okay, I think this is the last one, yeah. All right, so first thing I notice is that this second equation here is not in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So I have to get it there. Right now, the only thing that's out of place is this x. So I need to move that to the other side, all right? So how do we do that? By doing the inverse operation. So I'm going to subtract x to the other side. Cancels out here. I'm left with y equals -x plus 5. I put the x in the negative x in the front. Okay? So we can keep it in the y equals mx plus b format. Okay? So here's my new equation. If I can circle it, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna graph this first one and the second one down here. So for the first one, I start at 7, -7. So put a point there. And then my slope is 2 over 1, up to right 1, up to right 1, up to right 1, up to right 1. Up to right 1, up to right 1. So you should see the pattern there. I'm going up 1, 2, and then right 1 every time. Up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. All right. So let's connect those. All right. And then let's graph the second one. We start at +5 here. We're going to start there. And then my slope is -1 over 1. So I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And we can see they intersect right there. Down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. Okay. So there's our intersection right there at 4, 1. Okay. All right. So that is it. And good luck practicing. Let me know if you have any questions. All right.